All right, getting your kids to clean their rooms. It is an endless struggle, right?
Well, Kasha and Arletta from Clean and Green Cleaning Service have some easy and fun ways to get your kids involved.
They actually tested out their techniques on Melissa Cole's kids. Take a look.
We're here with our favorite cleaning ladies, and we've enlisted a couple helpers today because we are doing a segment on cleaning with kids. And actually speed cleaning?
Speed cleaning, yes. How to clean the room in 30 seconds or 1 minute before your mom coming home.
And as you can see, it's quite a mess in here. And Arletta, it's kind of shocking to me that not a lot of parents make their kids clean. I mean, we do clean a lot here, but some parents don't.
It is amazing, only 28% of parents, according to the recent study, ask the kids to help around the house.
Okay, all right, so we gotta change that.
Let's do it.
Kasha and Arletta from Clean and Green Cleaning Service suggest printing out chore charts.
For example, Monday, put away the toys. Tuesday, clean room with Swiffer duster.
That way, each day they can perform a small task and it won't be so overwhelming when mom says to clean up. Kasha shows Chad a few things he can do on his own, like dusting.
You left it, and you dust it. And you're going. Can you try?
He gets right into it, dusting his nightstand and his desk.
I will show you right now how to do like fingerprints, and you can do one day. You spray a little bit water and vinegar in the small bottle that your mom she gave you. And you will be just doing spa. Here, the white spa that sometimes you have the fingerprints, and you can do the door, like around the door knocks.
Just like an old pro.
All right, so in Charlotte's room, we're gonna also do some dusting and some sweeping.
Yes, she is a little bit older than your son, so she can do like baseboards, pictures, and I will show you how to do. You will have the same that Swiffer duster, and you will go like around the picture and dust it. You can do the surface as well, lifted stuff. And you will also do the baseboards, because on the baseboards you will see also the dust, like here, and go around the room. So can you try it? Do the same what I did.
So Kasha, for kids' rooms, you only need vinegar and water, not like
Yes.
you're using any chemicals.
Now, water and vinegar, some rags, sponge, and Swiffer, and that's it.
Okay, and you brought some extra little containers in case they want to get rid of stuff, or organize stuff.
Yeah, because when they organize, they can maybe see something that they don't wanna.
Yeah.
So you can donate and give, poor children, which is good cause.
Absolutely.
Last, sweeping the room. The ladies suggest child-friendly brooms.
And so this is after you've put everything away.
Yes.
This is sort of like the last step.
The last step.
Okay, now time for these kids to really get to work. Put on their favorite song and see how much they can clean while it's playing.
So you guys did a great job with your rooms,
Absolutely.
right?
Perfect.
All right, now we're gonna do the bathroom. Who's gonna come with us?
Chad, let's do it.
We start off with the Swiffer again.
As far as you can reach, you can do all this
Here,
way.
give it a try. So basically window areas, anything that collects a little dust.
The radiator, you can do that on the top. Yes, perfectly.
After the dusting, spray some bathroom cleaner around the sink and mirror.
Can you reach it?
Yes. Perfect. Very, very good.
You probably want to do a little spraying, right?
Then please, by all means, spray it as much as you want. And you can spray the sink.
After all, spraying things is the most fun part.
So I have a lot of problems with the grout.
Grout,
right?
absolutely.
So
So the good solution is baking soda.
Okay.
So Chad, you can sprinkle a little. Perfect, that's good enough. Then you can take the spray and spray over that. You can do a little more.
okay.
And then designate one toothbrush only for this.
Don't actually brush your teeth with this
Don't
one.
brush your teeth, don't brush anything else. That's why I keep this in this container. Designate this brush for brushing off all the dirt here.
Adults can do the scrubbing part, but overall, these are some great ways for your kids to help you get your house clean.
Well, there you have it.
I'm showing that to Helena and Julian right later on.
Good luck.
CleanandGreenCT.com. That is how you can learn more about Kasha and Arletta's service, and they use a lot of natural products too.